Hi, my name is Lee Diallo with Shape My Grip. Looking for more comfort in your road bike, cyclocross, gravel grinder, or track bike handlebars? Shape My Grip is the latest evolution in cycling handlebar grips. Grips that allow placement in areas of the handlebar where conventional grips do not. Benefits are improved comfort, reduced road vibration, ergonomic feel. Installation is very easy. No need to take any cables off your bike, adjustable upon installation, and no messy glues. The bar top grip creates the desired oval or flatter shape found on more expensive bars. The grip is easily installed around the bar. It's further secured with a supplied double-sided adhesive tape. The curve installs in the drops. Ergonomic finger impressions support grip in a sure hand position. The curve reduces vibrations and is also adjustable upon installation. Shape My Grip is the next evolution in grip placement, comfort, and safety. Order yours today and feel the difference.